How did a cough syrup turn lethal? Authorities found almost half of it was a toxic chemical. Now the factory's sealed, and the owner arrested. Tamil Nadu Drug Control found over 350 violations: rusty, corroded production equipment, poor hygiene in the plant, no qualified staff on site. Tests showed Coldrif contained diethylene glycol, DEG. It measured a staggering 48.6%. The safe limit is 0.1%. That toxic mix linked to dozens of child deaths. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. The Kanchipuram factory has been sealed. The owner is in custody. Several drug inspectors suspended for lapses. States have banned Shresan products. DCGI wants mandatory testing of every medicine. If you have any Shresan medicine at home, throw it away safely. Contact local health authorities. Follow Jikverse for more videos.